Morning everybody. Yeah, it's time for another unboxing. This will be the last one of season 5. I've got a couple of season 4s. I've got 2 of part 1s and 2 of part 2s of season 4. Bolton, so this will be the last one. This is the ones I picked up at Stalking. So let's have a look what we got this morning. Let's have a look. I actually missed out some cards yesterday. They were there's like a blood finish on them, similar to grass finish, which I didn't really notice until I opened, well, when I looked through them. Okay, base, 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 base. Oh, hello. Oh, nice. I autograph a Vened. Sweet. That's cool. Oh, is this a different one? I don't know, it's 19 of 99. Sure he's not 99 autographs. I think it's a standard one. A standard card, but then given a rust finish and an autograph. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right. So what's we got? First pack, Enid. Awesome. Base, 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 Sasha Williams. I think I'm missing one or two cards out of the chase card. This feels a bit thicker. This is a bit stiffer. This is something. Oh, is it? Yes, it is. Happy days. Water card. Number. Oh, it doesn't really say which one it is. Doesn't say. It's base Abraham. Rest in peace. Well, it's not a base size. It says card. I don't know. It doesn't say anything on there. But hey, the water card. That's pretty nice. Okay. I knew I'd have a good morning. I knew it. For some reason. Base. 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 Congrats. Base, 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 location card. When I go to Walkstock next time, people, it won't be, it'll be more panel footage I'll be getting, because when I was there I was rushing around getting autographs and photo ops and didn't really have time. So next time when I go, it's going to be a lot better footage. Okay, it's base, 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 water card. I haven't got that one. I don't think I got that water card. Don't think I got it. What number is it? W7, Walker 7 card. The water card, right? Base. Base, 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 Walker. Base, 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 location. I think my power's going to go now. Can I charge it off here? I don't think I can. No. Where's my charger? Base, 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 base. Michelle. Yeah, the battery's going to die now. Base, 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 base. Sasha. Base, 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 base. Base, little bases, I'm gonna reg. Trying to do this before the camera dies. I'm gonna do it. Little base to us. Walker card. Yeah, little base. Walker. No, I didn't die. No, it didn't really die. Base, 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 base. Card pillar. Base, 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 base. Alexandria. It's a race. Race with the base. All bases. Walker. Glenray, little base. Glenray. And I can do it. I got 3 or 4 left. Base, 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 base. Walker card. Base, 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 base. Atlanta. Base, 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 base. Oh, I got that one. That's a cool one. Got that. It's a rust one. I got a Rick. 3 more, 3 there. Base, 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 base. Walker. 2 cards left. Not gonna do it. Before the battery runs out. Base, 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 base. Got a Maggie Green. Last box, last box. Come on, come on. Don't die on me. Please don't die. I love you, camera. Base, 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 base. Solo house. Phew.